In this video, I'll show you how to create a new task in Clear CRM, whether it is for yourself, your team, or as part of a project you're managing. First, from the left-hand menu, let's go to Projects module and click on Tasks. Here, you'll see the full task dashboard. To create a new one, just click on the New Task button. This will open the New Task pop-up. Let's go through the key fields together. Subject. Give the task a clear name so it's easy to recognize. Hourly rate. This is not mandatory. You can set this if you're tracking time for billing. Start date and due date. Choose when the task starts and when it should be done. Start date is mandatory. Priority. Set how urgent this task is. Low, medium, high, or urgent. Repeat every. If this is a recurring task, like a weekly report, you can set the repeat frequency here. You can also link the task to something else in the system using related to, like a project, customer, invoice, or even a ticket. Tags are great too. For example, you could tag it as a bug, follow-up, or anything that helps you stay organized. There is also space to write a more detailed description about what needs to be done. Once you're done filling everything out, just hit save.